Hi, my name's Bavik and I'm here to talk about Huntsman's 2026 predictions, and today I'm joined by Piers, who's one of the authors. Let's talk about lower profile companies. A lot of them seem to be getting targeted at the moment. What are your thoughts on that?
Yeah, it just seems to have been a pattern. We traditionally talk about, government, defence, finance, intelligence, banking, criminal justice as being the high profile attacks, and critical infrastructure especially as well in the ransomware era. But what we have seen, I think, in the last 12, 18 months, 2 years is businesses that you wouldn't normally have thought would be targets for attack or highly likely high profile candidates still suffering breaches. Whether that's been, crikey, in the UK, you've had lab services, and you've had retail breaches, and you've had, manufacturing sector breaches, none of which would have been deemed to be perhaps high-profile security, security targets, or at least if they were, it would have been, the finance system or the identities or the customer databases. Whereas actually what we've seen is, empty shops, empty shelves in shops, or, manufacturing disruption causing, huge supply chain consequences. So I think, what we can probably deduce from this is that, all businesses are potential targets, and this has been true for a while, but I think the realisation is what's new. And certainly in the next 12 months, I think everybody, whether they're in the finance, critical infrastructure, government, high security space or otherwise, will be needing to improve their controls, improve the visibility of their controls, improve the way they report on controls to stakeholders, because anybody could be the target, and any amount of disruption can be damaging for both them and the companies that they trade with. And that's, I think, going to be an increasingly widely held view in the next 12 months, that no one is a low-risk target anymore.
Yeah, thanks, Piers. I think we're going to have to see a lot of organisations having to uplift their cybersecurity, especially following on from the nursery that was recently hit with a cyber attack.
Yeah, I mean, that's a good example. A nursery you wouldn't think would be a high-profile target, but, they suffered a breach, and then you've got children's information that needs to be reined back in. So that was a good example of a small business, not in a high-profile sector, but, they suffered a cybersecurity breach, and then that made the news as well.